Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how you can transfer your money from Cash App account to Apple Pay. For that, first you have to open your setting to do some settings here. So here you have to look for wallet. Here click on the option of wallet. Now in the payment cards, you have to add cards here, and after adding the card, make sure that the Apple Cash option is on. Apple Cash option should be on. This is very important for the transition process. Now I am opening my Cash App account. Here the home page have opened. Now you can see the card option in the bottom. I have not added my Cash App card here, but you have to add your Cash App card first to do the transitions. And after adding the Cash App card, this is how the page will look. Here you can see the enable Cash App card option and show Cash App card info. And here you can also see the option add to Apple Pay, as we need this option, so I'm clicking on this option. Now for adding card, you have to write your name and card number. After doing that, your Cash App card will be added to your Apple Pay. Now all the setting has been done on Cash App. Now it's time to open the wallet. After opening the wallet, you can see the Cash App card has been added. We need to open our Apple Cash card. After doing that, you can see your balance and you can see send a request, and you can also see the three dots on the top. Click on that. By clicking on the three dots, you can see the option add money, transfer to bank, card number, card details. As we want to transfer money from Cash App card to Apple Cash card, so we have to click on the option add money to add money. After doing that, you have to select the amount and you have to link a debit card here, your Cash App card here. You have to provide all the detail about your Cash App card here. After doing that, your amount will be successfully from Cash App card to Apple card. That was all about transferring money from Cash App to Apple Pay. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.